Hi guys, so today we're working on the SQ7 2020. It's beautiful, beautiful car, but came with the defects. We're doing enhancement package on this vehicle, so two-stage polishing. I'm going to show you now what we did already, and you're going to see on a video before and after the defects. So this is before. Car washes, very aesthetic. We got some pudges here, scratches, deep scratches, and assets from the car washes. And after, two-stage polish. It's look much big improvement. On the side of the vehicle, same problem, same result. We got lots of paint damage through the car washes. So this is obviously before, and this is after. So guys, we finished SQ7 enhancement package, so two-stage polishing. Obviously before decontaminated vehicle was lots of issues, lots of problem in the paint, inside in the paint from assets. Obviously there was overspray too, the carbon respray, the client didn't even know about it, so we find out through the polishing glitchy and the paint measurement. But what I try to do to frame the car glitchy, so it does look glossy. We get rid of the dead old skin and swell marks, scratches, so really presentable SQ7 now. Thank you guys for watching this channel, and like, subscribe, and see you with the next one. Thank you.